Welcome Spoken English, Basic to Advanced. I'm not saying you did it perfectly. I'm saying you nailed it. I'm not saying I agree. I'm saying I'm down. I'm not saying I have no idea. I'm saying no clue. I'm not saying that's a good idea. I'm saying sound like a plan. I'm not saying contact me. I'm saying hit me up. I'm not saying I am leaving. I'm saying I'm out here. I'm not saying it's fun. I'm saying it's late. I'm not saying he is suspicious. I'm saying he's shady. I'm not saying let's leave. I'm saying let's bounce. I'm not saying meet. I'm saying catch up. Thank you for watching.